Hi there everyone, very warm welcome. I'm just about to record for you a very short summary of our solo improvers slow waltz practice routine number 7. This was taught in the online class on Monday the 16th of January 23. The full class is available in the website video library. So starting on the left hand side of the space, I started with some close changes and rotation. 1, 2, 3 and 4 until I was back to where I started. One more close change on the left in preparation for the natural spin turn. Back, spin turn, ball heel to finish. I'm then going to go up onto the ball of the foot and go into a forwards lock step with rotation. So that is going to be very similar to a turning lock. Okay, so just remember we're trying to do this solo, but obviously it takes the elements from what we would do with a partner. So up onto the balls of the feet, lock step, and then the little brush and exit. Okay, so let me do the counting for that. I've got 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 and 3, 1 and 2 and 3. I'm going to go forwards and chassis out. 1, 2 and 3. I'm going to settle, hover, close in. I'm going to go forwards into a whisk and then close. Let me count that last section again. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 and 3, 1 and 2 and 3, 1, 2 and 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Like I said, it was just a very short practice routine as part of the full class. So keep practicing, keep going through everything in the video library, and I will see you again in another video very soon.